Alright, hey guys, today I'm with another family. We're driving around just exploring the area, and I'm meeting them for the first time, so I'll kind of meet you with them. What's your name?
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane? Alright. And what's your names of your children?
Mary Joy and Leo John.
Okay. And your husband is working right now, right? Okay. And what does he do for a living? How does he earn money?
Sige, trabaho tayo.
Wala ka na lang. Tig ko na ng views. Baka na.
Driver or
Di ka na. Tig suwat. Sa mo pa ng truck.
he's like he's making a list every trucks for every trucks.
So he like keeps track
Keeps, yeah,
of like the
that.
trucks or something like that?
Yeah.
Like work trucks? Like for work sites and things? Okay. Does he work every day right now?
Kada adlaw yung trabaho. Yeah, every
Okay.
day.
Do you know about on average how much he makes a month?
Pila sa
Paano man ka na. Tres.
ang adlaw? 300 a day.
300 a day.
Yeah.
Okay. Besides that, are there other ways that you earn income?
Gawas ana nakailaing kanang kwan? Pangita.
Wala lang ka na.
Only that.
Okay. Do you receive any money from the government at all?
Nakadawat mo kwarta sa gobyerno te or
Para
bugas.
kuan sa. Sa bugas. O,
Rice and-
Yung trabaho.
Her husband also from work. It's like they receive from the company also.
Okay.
But not always, tino. Dili permitted, tino.
How often do you receive rice or other things from the government?
Kapila ato nakadawat gikan sa gobyerno.
Paano lang ka na graduha.
Twice.
Twice a
Yes.
year?
No, twice since the pandemic.
So 2 times in the last 7 months. And how much did you receive?
Lagi ito nadawat nimo sa gobyerno to mga size to.
Size.
6,000 last.
6,000 pesos? Okay.
Last time. All.
Okay, all together. So since the pandemic hit, she received 6,000 pesos? Okay. And did you receive rice as well?
Yeah,
Okay, so
Rice.
6,000 pesos plus rice?
rice.
Okay. And how often does your husband receive things from his work?
Only one time. One time lang din, no? Kausara da yun. One time and then plus his salary only.
Okay. Do you grow vegetables or do you have any kind of garden?
Nakay garden dres sa gawas?
Nalalayo.
Yeah, at the back. Mini garden.
Alright. Did you build this home? Or your husband?
Kisay gahiman imong balay. Te.
Ang papa sa kumpare.
Her father-in-law.
Okay.
Father-in-law.
Your father-in-law built this. How long have you been living here?
Pila na mo katuig ni puyo dili te?
Duha.
2 years?
2 years? Okay. Do you own this land?
Dili.
No.
No? Okay.
Dried fish.
We have some dried fish up here. Richie's, I know, been eyeing it.
I can smell it.
Yeah, she's starting to get hungry over here. So I see that you do have electricity. Do you, where do you take your baths or where do you get water?
Asa sad mo magkabog tubig te?
Dito at ubos.
Down there.
Down there? Okay.
Dool ra.
Dito naman.
Alright. And, do you have a CR?
Wala.
No CR. Do you just go into the bush? Okay. Alright, so here's the front, and I'll just do a little quick walk around inside. This is all bamboo flooring, and then bamboo bench or bed if you want to sleep there. And then this is their bedroom. This is where they sleep. You have the bamboo for the floor. And then some woodwork over there. Very cool. This is where they do cooking, it looks like, and probably washing. And here's the front of the house. So they do have some roosters and some chickens. And here's a really interesting gutter system. They have some bamboo, which goes down, and they probably have like a barrel that they usually put here. Here's a little chicken coop. And then here's a little chicken house. There's one guy in prison right now. And we're starting to get a little audience. I think these are the neighbors?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys want to say hello? So behind the house, here's the garden. And I'm not sure exactly what some of this is. I think some corn. So I'd never seen a small mango tree before. So this is a small mango tree that eventually grow mangoes.
Lagbati.
We have labate,
Yeah, lagbati. Moringa.
moringa.
Coconut.
So up there by Richie, there's butig with those big leaves. Here's coconut. And then here's some banana.
And okra.
And okra, okay. And here's some okra. When I first saw this one, I thought it was a cactus, but it's like a cactus cousin. It has like little thorns on there. But it produces flowers. But you don't eat it, right?
No.
Okay.
This is mango too.
Oh, it's another mango tree. So these neighbor kids are gonna show us where they get the drinking water, where Mary Jane gets that as well. And since she has the baby, she'll stay here. Is it far?
Layo da. Kain da.
They say it's kind of far. It's layut. And just to show you where we are, Buladoys, when we go the back way, when we can drive to it, his path is right over there, up the hill, and beyond that way. That's where Buladoy is. Here's the road right here, and the house is right up there. And this is where they walk to get the drinking water. So today wasn't too bad, but I imagine when it's raining and it's really slick, this is probably a big challenge to walk down every day. So this is a really nice location. It's in the shade, and this is where they get their drinking water. And they have a faucet where you can turn it on and off. Oh, very cool. Perfect TikTok dancing spot. So this is where they get the water for drinking, but people also take baths here if they want to. It's a nice spot. It's in the shade. So you can see here, they have a faucet there, and there's a hole there, which drains down there. And I don't know if they do this here or not, but the one by Richie's house, they sometimes plug this up and then let the water run, and it fills up almost like a bath or a mini pool. And sometimes the kids or even adults kind of hang out in here and just kind of sit in and, you know, just relax and cool down a little bit.
I think Dustin likes
Yeah.
It's very hot. Very humid.
I think that'd be a really cool spot to sit down and just relax and like read a book or something. I think that'd be cool. How often do you fill up this water?
Only 1 day.
Once every day? And is that usually your job?
Ikaw basta ko permiday. Yeah.
And how old are you?
10.
10 years old. So she's 10 years old and she does this every day. And this is a big barrel or a big container, and that's pretty heavy. And you've seen the path. It's pretty straight down, and I can imagine when it rains, it's really slick. Even now when it's dry, I had trouble coming down because I'm pretty clumsy, but it's with the loose gravel, you can slip pretty easily. Does this ever run out of water?
No.
So as far as they know, this has never run out of water. It's continuous water flow. But this really is a perfect spot. It was kind of warm coming down here, and then down here it's like in a shaded area. It's nice and cool. They got the breeze going through. It really protects you from the sun. You can get your water without sweating. It's kind of nice. So this is how she usually carries it. Wow, that's pretty impressive. But today, want to let her know I'll carry it?
Dai, si Dustin ko na yung magtagaan na, Dai. Si ko na yung makarga. Your day off for today.
Yeah, today's your day off. I just want to see how it is to carry it up there.
Rest.
So she does this every day. That's a good workout. That's not easy. So this is Mary Joy. We met her earlier. And how often do you do this?
Pila ka magsakit sa adlaw, Dai? One? Kada hapon? Every afternoon.
So she does this every afternoon. Very hardworking kids out here. That's amazing. And she's 7 years old doing this every day. That's impressive. Is this going up to the house?
Yeah.
All right.
Tara.
We'll get these for you. All right, so this is for the drinking water. And then next we're gonna go see where they take a bath. And I think that's down there. Let's see your boxing skills. That's pretty good. So there's their house up there. And we got the water for drinking over there. And then now Mary Joy is gonna take us where they wash their clothing and then take their baths. Walking through these paths reminds you of hiking. So right now I can't really travel and hike, so I enjoy these little walks to little views like this. This is amazing. So cool. I'm not sure where Mary Joy went.
Mary Joy!
Marco! So this is all corn here. Hello, sir.
Lolo.
Hello, Lolo. Richie found, guess what?
Not really.
Oh, it's a little one. Guava!
You eat.
Me? Alright.
Try if there's no worm.
Hopefully there's no worms. Worm check.
Oh, it's pink.
Pink is the best. If you find a pink one inside the pink, it's really good.
No.
Want to buy it? Another one? They were good. Sorry I didn't leave you much. Hello. Alright, so this is where they take their baths and they wash their clothes.
There's also for Carabao bath.
So this is where the humans take their baths, and then through here is where Richie takes her bath. I'm just kidding. This is where the carabaos take their baths. Here's a bunch of bamboo here, and then some more bamboo over there. And this is the world's biggest leaf. Look at the size of that. Check out this tree. Oh, I got a hitchhiker.
Be careful, very sharp.
Yeah, these things are prickly.
Gulay vegetable.
Oh, gulay vegetable? So this is like, it's like hidden back here. This is so cool. Check out this tree though. Wow. That's a cool climbing tree. If I was a kid, I'd be climbing all the way to the top. Yeah, this is almost like your tree.
But this is bigger.
Yeah.
Welcome to my paradise.
This is awesome. Be careful, we're a long way from the hospital.
Dustin. I cannot do. You're like Agta. You know Agta is like giant and always smoking.
Oh. Nice. That was impressive. I'm not gonna try that, but that was good.
I'll go down.
All right, so out of the trees so far, I think this one's my favorite. This one's really cool. Whoa. And this is the reason I like to explore. You never find places like that if you don't kind of go walk through the path that you wouldn't normally take. Last time I made a video of me taking a bath and you said, why are you taking a bath with your shirt on? Well, she has a whole dress on.
Yeah.
Usually people take baths with their clothes on, right? Yeah, okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So last time we came from this way by the corn. We're gonna walk a different way. We have some dark clouds coming through. So we have some bato here, and these trees are here so they can climb up. They wrap around it.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a ladybug. Usually if there's something growing, moringa is not very far.
Yeah.
And of course, what did you get? Guava.
You know, this is very sweet.
Oh, the smaller ones are?
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. You can hear the dug dug in the background. It's getting pretty dark over there, and over here it's actually nice. But that breeze feels really nice. When you're in the shade like this, the last like 4 days have been really, really hot.
Yeah.
But it's like perfect when you're in the shade. Whose terrador is this?
Sige mo natin.
Kapalis.
Her husband.
Ah.
Partner.
Very cool. That's awesome. All right, so Mary Jane, thank you for showing us around and getting to know you. I really appreciate that. And to show you our appreciation, we have a few things for you. First, here's some face masks. You never know when you might need them. And then,
You go to town.
yeah, if you go to town, it's nice to have. There's a bag of rice for you. Some toothpaste, there's 2 tubes in here. Here's some soap, there's shampoo and conditioner in here. And here's 6 bar soaps for you. And here's 6 toothbrushes. And here's some noodles for you. Oh, chicken. And here's some noodles for you. Here's some soap. Here's some soap for washing clothes. There's 6 packets in here. And here's some canned goods, some corned beef and some sardines. Alright.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So it's really nice meeting you, and thank you again for showing us around. And thanks to you guys for subscribing, sharing my videos, watching the ads sometimes, and so that really helps me to do more things like this. So you guys, thank you very much, and we'll just see you guys next time.
Salamat kayo.
They can walk properly.
Yeah, look at this invention. That's really nice. They bought them like this, but then they added this at the end to keep their feet in. That's brilliant mind.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. See you guys later. Nice meeting you. It's gonna start raining any minute, I think. This is getting pretty dark. So what's in here?
This one is from the river, and someone will put water here for this, so that it's not, dusty.
Because there's lots of construction going on right here, they actually have this filled up every month or every time it goes empty, and they fill it with water and they put it on this road here because it gets really dusty, and it helps with the dust. So they put the water on here, and there's not dust every time a big truck goes by, and the cow appreciates it. Up here they cover the pilia to keep the bugs away. That's what you see covered in the tissue or paper. So there's a couple that aren't covered. Thanks, Richie. She helps me from not falling.
What you gonna do with a big
Fat, fat, wiggle, 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 wiggle.